Hey y'all, my name's Glenn, and I got a quick speech thanks to Dr. King here. But I have a dream that on November 3rd, we'll see a nation that's judged by the content of its character and not the contents of our current White House. That the country will be governed by people who reflect our diversity and share our common values. And that we have a leader that does not continuously have lips dripping with words of hatred and division, but that of unity and hope. So go back to Jacksonville, go back to Charlotte, go back to Atlanta, go back to Houston, and go back to all of our diverse cities, knowing that this sad moment in our history can and will be changed. Let us not complain of our discontent, but yet we fail to vote in a new day. And when this happens, and when we allow our voices to be heard, and when we let everyone vote fairly, this will speed up the day that all Americans will be able to join hands and usher in a new era of peace, prosperity, hope, and love. And we'll be able to say, thank God Almighty, we're back at last. Thanks to Dr. King for the assist. Watch his entire I Have a Dream speech or read it. It's one of the most amazing things I've ever seen in my life. God bless.